Hey everybody, it's Kim Shivler. Welcome. This is a quick lesson on automating starting a quiz in LearnDash. It's one of the many quick posts I'm doing about LearnDash, Lifter LMS, and WP courseware that tie into the fact that I am finally updating my courses on those products. It's been several years, and as we all know, software changes. One of the things that I love with LearnDash is that you can either put a LearnDash quiz within a course, which is where we normally think of quizzes, and you can see that that's what I've got here. But you can also put one in a post. So if you want to let people just test where they are after reading a post, you can do that. Sometimes I do that to capture email addresses, and I'll say something like, test yourself and join up for a free guide, something like that. When I'm putting a quiz actually in a post, I always want this option to start the quiz, this button. However, when I'm in a course like this, a lot of times if someone's going through the course and then they click on the quiz to take the quiz, I want to go ahead and start the quiz at that time. Why put that extra start quiz step in here? Let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to edit the quiz, and we're going to do this in the settings. Now, this course we're looking at here is one on building virtual service businesses. That is something I teach in a new ebook I have coming out. And that's what this course is going to be. As I scroll down here in my quiz settings, notice we come to display and content options. And one option here is to start automatically without the quiz button. I go ahead and click on that and update. Now when I view my quiz, so if I'm here in my course and I come right to my quiz, it starts the quiz. So say I was here finishing up some topics, and then I click to take the quiz, it starts right away. So I don't have that extra step of the extra button. Completely up to you on how you want to do it, but I just wanted to make sure everyone knew that was an option. I'm Kim Shivler. I'll see you next time. Bye.